Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 2nd, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 9. In our last video, we have discussed this poem, Granny, Granny, please comb my hair. And we have learned some new words and some other activities like reading is fun, let's talk and let's share. Now today we will start our next activity, word building, from page number 143. Okay, so let's see. Make new words using letters from the word grandparents. You may use the letters in any order. One has been done for you. That means here is a word given, grandparents. There are many letters in this word. So we have to make some new words by using these letters from this word. Grandparents, grandparents. So here one already given, rent, rent. As you can see here, rent here. So same here, we have to write some more words. Okay, so I have make here a and d, and here a and d, then grand, grand. So grand, grand. Now let's make some new words. So here we can make P-A-R-T, part. P-A-R-T, part. Then aunts, A-N-T-S. Then parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. Then part. We can make 10, T-E-N, 10. Then we can make pants, P-A-N-T-S, pants. Okay, and here you can make some more words also. Okay, now let's see next word. Sometimes we replace the names of people with another word instead of repeating the name. Replace the names in the sentences using a word from the box. That means here name blanks given, we have to write some another word instead of repeating the name. So here given it, I, he, she, my and you. So let's see. Meena is playing with a ball. This is a girl. So here in first sentence, Meena is playing with a doll. That means here we given that we are talking about Meena. So Meena is a girl. So we use she. So here we write she. So sentence, Meena is playing with a doll. She is a girl. Okay. Now let's see second one. Ram is climbing a tree. Ram is climbing a tree. This is a boy. So here boy. So we use he. Do not eat that mango. This is not ripe. So here talking about mango. So here we write it, it is not ripe. Okay. Okay, now next activity, let's write. Suppose you go to stay with your grandparents for a week. Make a list for things that you would like to take with you for them. Do not forget, put a, an or the before each things. So here let's see which things we can carry. A sweet box, a story book, a box full of medicines, a holy book, a warm cloth like socks, shawl or sweater, an emergency torchlight, a room heater, seasonal fruits, a pair of spectacles, a walking stick for my grandfather. Okay, now here you can make your own list also. Okay, now next is fun time. Make a thank you card for your grandparents. Here you need a chart paper of any color of 9 inches or by 12 inches, sketch pens, sticker and design book. Okay, let's see how to make it this way. Fold the paper into 2. Here as you can see, you have to fold your chart paper into 2. Draw or stick pictures on it. Here given, you can draw also and you can stick also. Write a message inside, begin with dear grandfather or grandmother. Okay, now let's see next one, activity time. This is an outline of Mina's grandfather. Had his hat, tie, mask, glasses, stick, etc. Write each word in the given box. Color the picture and write his name. As you can see here, Mina's grandfather's picture given. Here you have to use color inside and you have to make tie, stick, glasses and so here I have written here stick, hat, tie, mustache, glasses, watch, sandals and beard, and here you have to color it. Okay, let's see next one. A picnic. This is a family picnic scene. Give names to all the people. Look at the pictures and make sentences using phrases given in the box. As you can see in this picture, this is a family picture scene. First here you have to give the names and this side you have to write about this scene. Okay, so here words given: eating food together, picking up wrappers or waste papers, serving food, playing football, talking to elderly people, fishing with grandfather. While writing about this scene, you can use these words also. Okay, so here I have written, we all come together for a picnic. Everybody is enjoying a lot. My young brother Jay is playing with my father. I have given that boy name Jay. Okay, you can give your own name. My mother and grandmother are enjoying their food. My younger brother is fishing with my grandfather. As we should not leave our waste things in the party, so I am picking up wrappers and waste papers. We all are enjoying in the company of our elders. So in this picture, as you can see here, her mother and grandmother sharing foods. She is picking up wrappers and waste papers. Her young brothers fishing with his grandfather, and here her brother playing with his father. Okay, so again let's read. We all come together for a picnic. Everybody is enjoying a lot. My young brother Jay is playing with my father. My mother and grandmother are enjoying their food. My younger brother is fishing with my grandfather, as we should not leave our waste things in the party. So I am picking up wrappers and waste papers. We all are enjoying in the company of our elders. Okay. Now same this way you have to write in your textbook and other words our today's work also. Okay, and this work also. Okay, thank you.